Dang, what the hell happened? A moment the girls live for. Give it to the girls. Give it to the girls. Give it to the girls. Man, I don't got time for all that.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
It's MATIC Monday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. Today is an episode of MATIC Monday. You know what I'm saying? It is Monday and I am feeling pretty MATIC. Okay, so you know what I'm saying? I just did this pretty blue cut crease. And it's also giving a pink moment. It's blue, it's light blue, and it's pink, and we're feeling frosty on the inner corner, and I love it. I really love this look. Like, I hope I can get some bomb pictures because this is such a beautiful eyeshadow look. So yes, if you are interested in today's video and you want to see how I created this look, boo, just keep on watching. Definitely going in with an oldie but a goodie, honey. Taking my MAC Painterly and my MAC paint pot and Painterly, my fault, y'all. And I am, you know what I'm saying, going in with this for eye base today. Definitely going in very sloppy with it, but that's okay, because look at what sloppy do. I got that done in like all of 10 seconds. Going with this transition shade real quick. I'm gonna do this while keeping my eye open because it'll be better when it's time to cut the crease. When it's time to cut the crease, we'll have like a rough guide of how we want to cut it. Now I'm using my Morphe M441 brush to apply this shade. Okay, gonna go on with this beautiful pink. I love this shade. This is like my favorite shade in this whole palette besides the blue. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take my Morphe E17 brush to apply this. First, I'm going to pat it on just to pack on that color and build up that pigment, and then I'll worry about blending it out. Do you see, you know, the little rough guideline? That's how you know where to cut your crease, even though I always go slightly above. Always. When I'm looking straight ahead, I just want you to be able to see it without me having to look down. So now I'm going to use my Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer in the shade Honey. This is what I'm going to use to cut my crease today on just a regular flat brush because this brush ain't got no name. Okay, got this years ago when I first started doing makeup. Going in with this, literally, oh my gosh, the most beautiful blue. Y'all know how I am when it comes to blue. Oh my gosh, it is literally my favorite color. I'm going to go in with this, and I am only taking this from my inner corner of my lid to like the middle of my lid because we will be using a second color. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter blue, little shimmer, you know what I'm saying, and I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. Going in with my Crayon Case highlighter concealer in the number 13. And this is what I'm going to use to just go around my mouth with, you know, and I also went under my eyes, you know what I'm saying, because I use it as a corrector, and I only apply it in the areas where I tend to be, my skin is a little bit darker. So around my mouth and under my eyes, those are my problem areas. Gonna go on with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Dark. And with this shade, I'm using this concealer to brighten So I'm going to take it around my mouth again, under my eyes again, down the center of my nose, and on my forehead. Y'all know your girl love being bright. Okay, I love to brighten. So I use 2 concealers for those purposes, one to correct and one to brighten. I'm gonna set with my KKW Beauty setting powder in the shade number 3. I have not used this in quite some time. I'm gonna go in with my NYX No Filter powder in the shade Deep Golden. You know what I'm saying? This is what I will be using to set today. Yes, ma'am. This is looking so good. Oh my goodness. This base, honey, I live for a good base. Okay, going in with Coco Naughty from Fenty. You know what I'm saying? I'm really not a fan of this Wet n Wild brush anymore, but I don't have anything else, you know? I'm cleaning my brushes this weekend, seriously, because I have pre-filmed enough videos to where I don't have to like fall off, you know what I'm saying? So I could just clean my brushes, all of them, give all of them a chance to dry. And yeah, I'm going in with my Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and brighten it up, you know what I'm saying? Yes, okay. Just look at that. It just gives me so much to live for. Going into this Mochi palette by NYX, and I'm just gonna be taking this like icy, like iridescent shade. It's a shimmer, and I'm gonna put it right on my tear duct. Taking this NYX professional eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sunrise Blue, one of my faves. I'm only going to line on the inner corner, and I'm going to take it to the middle, like exactly what I did to the top of my eye. And now I'm going to take another NYX professional eyeliner, and this is in the shade Azure. So for lashes, I'm going in with my Lily So Extra Miami lashes, and I will be right back. I'm going to glue those on off camera. So what I'm going to do now is just do lips. For lips, I'm going in with my ColourPop lip pencil in the shade Pitch, and I am taking just this gloss from MAC, and the name rubbed off, so I really have no idea what it is. Yes, ma'am, I am literally living for it. It's giving me Mardi Gras. It's giving me Fiesta. You know what I'm saying? This is how the gloss looks, by the way. It just looks like this. So yes, y'all, this completes the look, and it also completes the video. I hope y'all love the look. I do. I really like it. And yes, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.